Yuck. Oh no, I deleted my list. All right, I'm gonna set my timer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Timer, 30 seconds, 30 minutes. So I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes because I did see a TikTok where they said you only take the amount of time that you give yourself. So if you give yourself 5 minutes to do a task, you can highly possibly complete that task in those 30 minutes. But if you don't give yourself a time limit and you say, okay, I'm just gonna clean, then you could take 6 hours. So I'm giving myself 30 minutes. I might turn on some music. Let's see how much I can complete in 30 minutes. This is what I have to do. I have to empty the dishwasher again, dirty dishes into the dishwasher again, hand wash pots and pans, and air fryer, clear off the countertops. It's a mess, but it's life, and I love cleaning. Like, I genuinely love to clean, and so let's get into it. Let's get it done. We got to rinse out this recycle. We got a lot, but 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and press. Are we ready to start? Okay, let's press start. All right, 30 minutes it is. Oh gosh. And that's one. That was pretty quick. Throw out the lid, recycle the bottle. Water's hot enough. We're gonna start some soak water for our utensils so they can soak. Straws. Oh my gosh, y'all. This all got done in 10 minutes. I still have 20 minutes. So I'm gonna keep rushing. Let's watch the air fryer. This is our new air fryer. We had an all metal one. It was cool. We bought this one. This one is not completely like airtight or like closed. And so I like it, but it doesn't perform the same way as the other. I really feel like I've been rushing, because I know the timer's going. I feel like I've been working so much faster than I usually would. So yeah, we're gonna do this more often. We're gonna give ourselves a timer. And that's for us that love to clean. I love cleaning. I love a clean home. I love to clean. I love to declutter. I love to organize. And so I like to share what I love to do. Jump scare. This is how much lard, oil, grease a pack of lamb chops produces after cooking. And I just take my little scraper and scrape it all up. Yuck. Yuck. And then I just dump it in the trash. Ew. Hurry up, girl. Rinse. 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 The main floor has to look immaculate, okay? The main floor must look immaculate just to set the tone for the other floors in the home. This might need to sit in some water for a little while. Let's see. Does it want to come up? All this stuff comes up. Oh, hell no. Just gonna let you soak. We're gonna take these pink wipes from the Pink Stuff brand. These are pretty good. They're okay. I wish they were a little bit more moist. And just like that, wait, close my drawer. Wipes back. And just like that, we have 2 minutes to spare. Not a deep clean, but I feel like I've done a pretty good job with 30 minutes. 2 minutes to spare is pretty good.